In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Midjourney server on Discord mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to tap and what to expect on screen so you can get set up without confusion. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date, since older versions can hide or rename options. On the main screen, look for the plus icon. This is the Add a Server button. Depending on your device, you'll find it in the sidebar where your servers are listed or near the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon, then choose Join a Server. You might also see an option to create your own server, but for this, stick with Join a Server. You'll land on a page with a field to enter an invite link. Here's the important part. Paste or type the official invite link for the Midjourney server. If you're not sure where to get it, use the link provided by Midjourney's official site or documentation. Avoid random links from unverified sources, as those can lead to the wrong place. Once the invite link is in the field, tap Join with Invite Link. Discord will pull up a preview of the server, showing the name and icon so you can confirm it's the real Midjourney community. Take a second to double check those details. When it looks correct, tap Accept Invite. If Discord prompts you with any confirmation screens or asks you to agree to community rules, go ahead and confirm. Some servers also display a quick rules or welcome channel right away. Reading that helps you understand how to navigate and where to start. After you've joined, you'll see the Midjourney server appear in your server list. You can open it and browse the channels to get familiar with the layout. If you're new to Discord, look for channels like announcements or getting started to see important updates and basic guidance. If you don't immediately see content, try scrolling through the channel list or pulling down to refresh. A few quick tips if something doesn't work. If the invite link says it's invalid or expired, grab a fresh link from Midjourney's official sources. If the join button doesn't appear, check your internet connection or update the Discord app. And if you accidentally tap the wrong option, you can simply go back and choose Join a Server again. That's it. Open Discord, hit the plus, select Join a Server, enter the official Midjourney invite, tap Join with Invite Link, accept and confirm. You're in.